This will be a how-to on adding a pager to the system as an output. So you're going to come to your VT3000 welcome page and select the core software. Your home page here, where we want to go is to outputs. You can select that here, or we can use the icons, configuration, outputs. That'll bring us to this page here. As you can see, we have for an on-site pager over here in our add new column. So we're going to select that. Basically, we're going to give this a name. I would like to say this is maintenance 2. And then we're going to use the cap code. So the cap code is how that pager is programmed to, the what we would call like the MAC address of it. If you don't know what that is, please call us or notify us, and we can show you. We can explain to you how to get that code, or you can use our wiki page. It kind of gives you step-by-step instructions. So for my purposes here, just to say this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Numeric, what that option would mean is that you would only get pages of numbers, would be no characters. As a general rule, that's not used in very many circumstances. So you'll fill out this piece. Next is you want to go to your availability. So not available means we're not sending any messages or anything to this pager. Always means we're sending pages to there 24/7, 365 days a year. It doesn't stop until it gets acknowledged. During a specific shift, it'll allow you to select a schedule and then select which shift that this pager is going to get messages. For this, say first and third. So now it'll only get pages during first shift and third shift. Once you have this filled out, you can hit save and add new to add an additional pager, or you can select save and exit. That'll bring you back to this page where now you'll see your maintenance 2 pager. Over here on the right side, you'll see for the add new that now we have a total of 1. This will conclude our how to on adding a pager. Look forward to talking to you again.